had went to the other room. It was just me and him. He just kept touching on me and stuff like that.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Treasure, aka Stamped by Treasure, aka Big Treasure, not the little one. And I'm back with another video. Today is December 8th, I believe. So this is Vlogmas Day 7 and 8. Today I'm basically gonna be doing a story time. I have a lot of people requesting me to do a story time, y'all, and I really been trying to do them for y'all, but my stories don't really be that interesting to me. Like, I think I filmed the story time before, but I never uploaded it because it just wasn't giving. But anyways, you guys, before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You guys, we're on the road to 300 subscribers. So make sure you guys get us there. Let's get into the video. So as you guys can tell by the thumbnail and title, yes, I was a side chick. Honestly, what's the difference between a side chick, a main chick, and all that if they getting the same treatment? This was kind of like, I knew he had a girlfriend and I was still texting him type stuff. Before I even start, let me just give y'all a little side note. This was like 3 years ago, and I was like 17, I believe. Yeah, I'm 20. So I was like 17. I got some Panera bread. I told y'all I've been trying to eat healthy. As y'all can see, I already done took a few bites because, baby, it was good, ain't gonna lie. Got a mango smoothie. This smoothie tastes so different from regular mango smoothies like McDonald's. You know what I'm saying? Just went a little different. I gotta give him a nickname, y'all. Nick. That's what we're gonna call him, y'all. We're gonna call him Nick. His name not Nick, but that's what we're gonna call him. So like 3 years ago, y'all, I had this friend. Well, I thought that was my friend. In reality, she was not my friend. We're gonna call her T. The boy who I'm talking about, his name is Nick. And then the girl who he was with, we're gonna call her K. We're gonna call her K. 3 years ago, this girl the girl that I call my friend, she was friends with Nick. Right. And see, we was like real cool. Like, we was real close. We would always be on FaceTime. Y'all know how it is when y'all on the phone with y'all bitch or whatever, you know what I'm saying? We would always be on the phone. One day in particular, we were on the phone and she on FaceTime with Nick on her iPad. So she got me on the phone and she got Nick on the iPad. I remember like coming across Nick Instagram, and I think he came across mine before. I don't think we ever talked. Like, I think we had like a small conversation in a DM, but it was like real short and we weren't really trying to talk to each other. I think. I don't know how I ended up talking to him, y'all, but oh, he wanted to play a pool game with me. For my number, he was like, I want to play pool. And in the back of my mind, I'm not stupid, y'all. So in the back of my mind, I'm like, this nigga really just want my number, but he got a bitch. So I ain't gonna do that. He got a girlfriend, so he don't want to say that he just want my number, because in reality he got a girlfriend. So he just trying to cover it up by asking to play pool. And I told him I don't know how to play pool. I ended up giving him my number, whatever. He sent pool, and I'm acting like I know how to play. I told him already though I don't know how to play, so I'm just steady playing or whatever because he was cute. Mind y'all, I think I knew he had a girlfriend because my friend told me, I think, because I asked her. But we weren't really like on nothing. We was just playing pool. And so I'm just seeing pictures of me and stuff, and I'm just like, I started sending him pictures of me and stuff like that. He really started like talking more and more and more, and I'm just like, this man got a girlfriend. We didn't link, we would just talk. We would just be talking. And plus, I was doing what I want to do. But we both knew it was more to it than just us texting. I was really starting to feel him, and he was really starting to feel me. We started to be on FaceTime all the time. So I started thinking, like, where is your girl? Fast forward, our first time really linking, T had an Airbnb for her birthday. Like I say, y'all, they was cool. We was cool. So we ended up both going to the Airbnb. But I think we ended up getting into it. Before we went to the Airbnb, I believe me and him ended up getting into it. So we weren't really talking. At this time, I didn't have a car or nothing. So our mutual friend, it's crazy, y'all, because I asked him for a ride. I kid y'all not, we did not plan this. I asked him for a ride. Meanwhile, Nick asked him for a ride too. That was our mutual friend. We both asked him to take us to T Airbnb. I asked him, he was like, yeah, I'll come pick you up, but Nick asked me to come get him too. I was like, I was like, no, hell no. I was like, hell no. I said, fuck that, no. He was like, I'll come get you, woo. Like, it's not that serious. You sit in the front, he sit in the back. And I was like, okay, but you gotta come pick me up first because I don't want him to know where I stay. He was like, okay, cool. So he comes get me first. And then we went to go get him. Went to go get Nick. Nick get in the car and he in the back. I'm in the front, so he in the back seat, but he behind me in the back seat. And I'm recording on Snapchat. I promise y'all, I was not trying to be petty. I wasn't trying to be funny. I was just recording myself on Snapchat. He kept picking his head like he wanted to be in the video so bad. I'm like, bro, you want to be in this video so bad. At that point, we weren't really talking though. We were still wasn't saying nothing, but you know, he was trying to. He wanted my attention or whatever. I ain't gonna cap. He wanted my attention, and I ain't gonna cap. Like I just didn't want to give it to him, but I was trying to play a little hard to get, you know what I'm saying? We get to the Airbnb, and it wasn't a lot of people. It was really like, we all knew each other. It was like the birthday girl, which was the girl who I was cool with. T, me, Nick, the driver, and I think it was like 2 more other girls. It was either 1 more other girl, or it was 2 more, other girls. But we all was like cool. Like everybody knew everybody basically. Her mom had got her Airbnb or whatever, but it was like a big ass house. So like we was downstairs, and then her parents, well, her mom was upstairs. Her mom and her auntie, they was upstairs or whatever, or her mom and her friend, whoever the hell it was. But they would go out the house and stuff. Like they weren't on us, like they weren't watching us. They were just there because you know how Airbnb is. She was just there because Airbnb be tripping. Everybody talking, chatting up. Me and him, we still wasn't talking, but he started to grab balloons and stuff. Y'all know how niggas is. Y'all know how niggas is, bro. Like y'all know how niggas is. We was there that whole time. Like, ain't no way we just wasn't gonna talk. My thing is, at this time, y'all, he still had this girl. He still was with this girl. I can't really remember why we was mad at each other, but I just remember that we were mad at each other because we was not talking. This man started popping me with the balloons, y'all. Like, he was just grabbing balloons. And he was popping me. If I could find a video, I'ma put a video in here, but this man was literally popping with the balloons, and I ain't gonna count. Like, when I was saying stop, I really wanted him to stop because that shit hurt, but then it was like, we were flirting. I ain't gonna count. He was playing too much, but I was fucking with it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it was 2 other people. It was the girl who I said, and it was her boyfriend. T, the birthday girl, her boyfriend was there too. So it was me, Nick, the driver, T, another girl, and then T boyfriend. So yeah, it was all us. But we all was in a group chat before the Airbnb. So we all was, you know what I'm saying? It was a vibe. Everybody go downstairs or whatever. We in a room, we in one room. It was 2 rooms down there. We just chilling, vibing, music going. We playing cards, everybody recording. It was just a vibe. I don't know how we started talking, y'all, but when we got in the room, me and Nick started talking. We was talking a lot more. I don't think we was that mad at each other. I feel like both of us knew what was gonna happen. We about to be at a whole Airbnb together. Let's be real. Like, this our first time actually being face to face, seeing each other. Like, we're going to talk. At this point, he do have a girl or whatever, and she kind of did know about me because he's so stupid. At first, he said they broke up. He said that they broke up when me and him was texting. He sent me screenshots and everything of them breaking up, but I guess after the breakup, they got back together because he gave me his Instagram password like a dummy. Ooh, I done forgot about my food. If you let a nigga, he'll tell on himself. Like, I kid y'all not. This nigga will tell on himself. Like, you don't even gotta try. These niggas just so dumb. So I ended up liking to his Instagram. I post myself on his page, y'all. And I say, I think I either just posted myself or I said treasure here or some shit. Or I said something. Somebody DM him, but I had to go to his, like I had to scroll over and go to his DM because he had her muted. Mind y'all, I'm knowing who the girl is because when my friend told me, y'all know how he is. Y'all already know I went to look. When he had her muted, that was the red flag right there. Like, okay, why would you give me your Instagram password? Like, I just can't go through your DMs even though it's the message muted. So she knew who I was, y'all. So when we got to the Airbnb, we weren't really on nothing, but we was together. Like, it was a vibe. We were vibing. We ended up going to the bathroom, y'all. We was making a Triller, and we made a Triller to Thank You Next by Ariana Grande because he wanted to make a video with me. And it was crazy, y'all, because when the video went viral, because the video blew up, this one spams was straight popping. Like, this shit was on everybody's spam. Everybody was reposting this video, y'all. Everybody was reposting this video. Like, so many people were so mad. That shit was crazy. We weren't really doing too much in it. I don't know if they posted it before or after they left because the boys had to slide. Him and the driver who came and picked both of us up, they had to go. Oh, and her boyfriend. They all 3 had to go. We had went to the other room. It was just me and him. He just kept touching on me and stuff like that. I was sitting there talking and stuff, and then he just was feeling on me, and I was feeling good, and you know, he wanted to do something with me. And I was like, you got a girlfriend. On my mama, like, that was what I said. He knew that. When we first started talking, like, we was not doing nothing until you don't have a female anymore. No matter how much I wanted to. I just wasn't finna do nothing with you, and I know that you have a girl. He was like, bro, that's not my girl. I'm like, bro, that's most definitely your girl. I'm not stupid. He was just like, all right, I'll cut her off right now. I don't want her, this and that and the third. Niggas. I'm like, you gonna cut her off? Do it right now and show me you cutting her off. All I know is he cut her off. I was right there when he did it. No matter what the fuck he cut her off for, he cut her off. And at that point, you single. Was he or was he not single? Am I tripping? He was single. No matter what happened when you leave this motherfucker, you were single. Period. I said I wasn't gonna do nothing with you while you got a girlfriend. He ain't had no girlfriend no more. Y'all know the rest, man. We went back in the room with everybody and we was just chilling. Like, the vibes was just still good. Everything was good. I was really fucking with him. Ain't gonna cap. The only thing was he had a girlfriend. But other than that, I was really fucking with this nigga. We ended up vibing out the whole rest of the night until they was ready to go or whatever. Don't really remember what time that was. But all the dudes had to leave. But before they left, we was in the car for the longest. So me and Nick was in the back seat. She recorded us when we was in the back seat and he was laying on me. Either I was laying on him or he was laying on me. Boom, that video went up too. But this was after they left though. Everything happened after they left because I don't really remember us really saying nothing about it while we was at the Airbnb. Once the niggas left, that's when the videos got posted. Everything just got posted. Like, the night just got posted. The girl who he was with, she had like a little fan base. Her little supporters, everybody, they was just mad, y'all. They was mad as hell. Everybody was just mad as fuck. Like, mad at me, mad at him, mad at everybody, mad at the girls who was at the Airbnb. That's when the Triller got posted. The video that T recorded with us in the back seat, that got posted. The girl who he was with, who he had broke up with at the Airbnb, she posted it on her spam. Her friends started posting on their spam. Everybody started posting it. I was just like, well, damn, I didn't know it was about to go viral like that, bitch. I'm glad I was looking good in the video. And I'm talking about it as I'm saying it out loud. That shit do sound kind of crazy. When I was living it, it was kind of different. Like, it was way different, actually. I'm a little older, the shit do sound a little crazy. They stopped fucking with each other for real. But everybody was still being petty. Like, at the beginning of me and his relationship, everybody was still so livid. So everybody still was reposting. Like, everything we would post, they would repost it and make fun of it. And we was cute as fuck, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't gonna care, we was cute as fuck. Like, he cute as fuck, I'm cute as fuck. Me and him did get together for real. I met his mom like real early. Still to this day, me and his mom got a bun, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with his mama, she fuck with me. Like I said though, y'all, side chick, man, all that, that's really the same. That's not cute. I'm not saying it trying to make it seem like it's cute, because it's not, but it happened. It's a story that I'm letting y'all know, and that's in the past. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I barely ate my Panera. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. You don't want to miss, okay? You don't want to miss, because I'm going to come back with a story time. I'm going to see how this video do. If y'all get this video to 20 likes, I need 20 likes, and I'm going to post another story time for y'all. Let me know what y'all want to hear next time. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Walking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.